Your love is bright as ever, even in the shadows. Good morning. Baby, kiss me.
London, come here. Good morning. Say hi, London, Coco. What? Good morning. Oh, good morning. High five. Thank you. High five. High five. High five. High five. Good girl. Good girl. She gets so relaxed from me rubbing her stomach. Like literally that is her calm down. That's her cup of tea. That is her dose of medicine. So strange. Morning routine. I'm so tired. I have work at 11:30, I think. My hair's a mess. So yeah, just gonna wash my face. And I'm using this on my face, the Aveeno Positively Radiant Skin Brightening Daily Scrub. And I started to use this on my skin a lot more because my skin has been acting up. I don't know if you guys can see this side of my skin. It has a lot of pimples, and the other side does too. So I'm trying to work on that. So my hair is done. Listen to music. Majority of the time I listen to music while I do my makeup. And what?
Again, have you let you break again? The risk that I'm taking, I'm never gonna show you out.
Whenever I do this to my makeup, I always feel like I'm in a tribe or something, so I like start to make tribe sounds. But I'm just letting this cook. Letting it cook. Or bake, whatever it is that people say.
Your love is bright as ever, even in the shadows. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. Your heart is glowing, and I'm crashing into you. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. Before they turn the lights out. Baby, love me like
Pretty girl. Good morning. Joy. 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 Cutie. Hi, Lonnie.
That's it.
Hi.
You want the rest of these? Hey, Cole, you want more?
Are those good? Yeah. Why aren't you eating them? I feel like a boy with this hairstyle. So weird to me. Probably end up talking on my lunch or something. Kind of tired right now, but I always bring this big old jug of water because it's a waste of having, you know, a water bottle each time when I like to drink a lot of water when I go to work. Well, I'm off work and I'm hungry. It is around 7 o'clock and I might just take a nap. I'm very tired. So many people complimented me on my hair today, which is shocking, but cool at the same time. They keep thinking it's a haircut, so my hair must be like very shrunken. Either way, they liked it. A lot of my coworkers are always like, you know, I love the fact that you change your hair so much, and you know, they always ask me how I do it and stuff. I'm like, watch my YouTube channel. But I don't know what I want to eat yet. I think I'm gonna get grilled cheese or something. Don't know. It's very gloomy outside today. Very windy. If you guys can see. Very gloomy, very windy. Ugly weather. It gets very windy where I'm at, so sometimes it's very annoying wearing like weaves and stuff because it'll blow, but it's all good. It just gets really windy, and it's probably from like the Bay Area weather coming in. I feel like it's probably gonna rain. But yeah, I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm very hungry, and I keep saying it, but it's because I am. My sister has some art that she does. You guys can see. She sells these. And she also has a channel, but she has an Instagram. I'll probably insert it in this video. If you guys really want to see. She has Malcolm X, Kanye West, Biggie, Tupac, Jimi Hendrix, J. Cole, Chris Brown, Aaliyah, Vin Diesel, Paul Walker. So many things. She has this big old piece of artwork in these. So I like these the most. But yeah, if you guys want any artwork, I'll leave all her information down below. So I'm just reading this book on my phone. My hair is a mess right now. I know, calm down. Don't get too worried. Sorry my window's open, but I'm reading this book called The God First Life. Yeah, I decided to get it because a lot of people were saying it was really good. And so I'm reading it now. And there was one thing that I read, and it's helpful for me because I'm still trying to figure out what gifts, what my gifts are, and how I can use them. And there was a passage that says useful, fruitful, stable, durable, and incorruptible. That is what it means to flourish in the context of this passage. Who wouldn't want those words to describe their life? Everyone wants to flourish in life, flourishing families, careers, finances, and health. There is absolutely nothing wrong with that. I believe God wants those things for us too. But we must understand that before we can flourish, we have to be planted. Planted in the house of the Lord, they will flourish in the courts of our God. Not many people want to plant. That's not to say we don't want to be used. Everybody wants God to use them to change the world. So what do we do to change the world? We take gift tests. We take gifts tests. We seek our purpose, and we look for ways to use our gifts. Blogs, nonprofits, new ministries, new careers, new relationships, churches. We will do almost everything to be used by God except stay planted. It is in the context of the local church that you experience the God First Life. So I thought that was really cool. I've just been reading this book, and it's actually very helpful for me, just because obviously it's helping me to be able to put God first, and it's helping me to be able to look forward to, my life and just planning things like that. So I recommend you guys to get this book. I ended up just buying it from iBooks, and I don't remember how much it was, but it wasn't that much. It was just easier for me because I can take it with me every day and just look at it and highlight the things that I like in the book. And it's called The God First Life. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I was first introduced to this book by my pastor, and then he decided to do a whole thing about it. So I recommend that, and I'm just going to keep reading and probably do my devotional and go to sleep. I'm very tired. I don't have to work tomorrow, which is a great thing. I just wanted to come to you guys and tell you guys about what I've been reading. And it's very personable. It's not like telling you too much of it's more of like personal stories from the guy who wrote it. So it's not like talking about politics or anything like that stuff, and being able to talk to God or talk to people about God without shoving the Bible down their throats. And that book has been helping a little bit, and I've only read a few pages or the first chapter, and the first chapter was really good. So after I finish this God First Life book, I'll probably start on that. But yeah, I just wanted to come to you guys, and I'll probably end up going to sleep. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. God bless. Good night.